Hi guys, my name is Jemmy and welcome back to Python EP8. Today I'm going to be talking about ifs. So I'm going to show you how to use ifs in Python. I've been waiting to learn this for a long time because you get to actually like experience like with two conditions. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, let's name a project the functions of if. Okay, and now let's start with an input actually. So let's pretend we're going to make a program that says like, if are you old enough to use this program. So let's try saying like here we are, and input, let's just say set age equal to, let's set this to int right away because we're going to use it for our if. So int, and then inside another one, outside, int input. Now we're going inside, and now we're going to say enter your age here. Now with a little bit of manipulating, we can use it to get the real age. So right here we're going to do enter your real age here. So it's not really manipulative, but yeah, they'll think that that it doesn't really matter what the age is, so they'll enter the real age. And if they're too young, then they're going to not be qualified. So yeah, that's it. And once we're done with the input right now, we're going to age equal int okay, and now we're going to do if. So here's if we're gonna use a little bit of a weird method. It's pretty simple, hang tight. So if age is greater or equal to 10, then enter, and then colon, this one, enter, and then we say qualified, like this, and then enter again, delete this, and we're gonna say program ended. I forgot how to spell ended. There we go. Program ended. And we're gonna say like that. So wait, don't you need to put wait, let me, I think you need to print, right? Or don't you? I think you do need to print though. Okay. Print. Okay, so here we are. Program ended. Missing call print. Program. Oh, okay. Gotta have something like this. Right, yeah. Or there's still syntax. There you go. And then now we're going to say 10. How about let's try, 10. File that name or qualified is not defined. Oh, we gotta print it. I forgot. Print. Boom. Boom. Go back here. Boom and boom. There. So now after that, I guess we can do it now. Okay, enter your name, age here, that qualified and program ended. There we go. It's pretty simple. And let's try something else. How about 8 years old? 8, enter, program ended. See, there wasn't any qualified. So yeah, you can use this in multiple ways. So let's see. Let's say coins. So pretend you want to like see how much coins they have and if they can like exchange it for item or something. Then enter your, it uses the same concept, but you can use it in multiple ways. So enter the amount of coins here. Okay. Pretend it's in Roblox and you need to get the dominus. How much is the dominus? I'm not sure. So let's get this much. Like, let's coins. The dominus is the most expensive item, I'm pretty sure, in Roblox. So Yeah, let me just 2,000, like 200, 20,000. Okay, yeah, 20,000 coins in order to exchange it. So yeah, here, and then what you need to do is you run it. No, actually, let's change qualified to exchanged. Okay, here. Enter the amount of coins here. So pretend it's one. And then program ended. It doesn't give you it. But however, if you do 20,001, then it says exchange. There we go. It's pretty interesting. You guys can use it for like a lot of things actually, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we're gonna be talking about something else. It's similar to this. It's called if else, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Welcome back to Coding for Kids Python EP.8. Today I'm going to be showing you if else, because last video I showed you how to do if. It's pretty simple, and now you can actually do a lot of more things with if else. There's also this command called elif, which is combined with if and else, so it's basically combined it, and I'm going to show you how to use all of those code. So first of all, let's start up with a variable as we did before. Age, let's put input first. So hashtag functions of if else. Dun dun dun. Okay. So now let's put age equals to in slash input, and then in here we do quotation marks, and we say enter your age here. There we go. And then colon here like that. Enter your age here. And in here, what we do is we are going to say like if age is less less or equal to 10, then colon, what we do is we print child like this. So we're going to classify them on their age. So child, and now we're going to do elif, which is between if and else. So elif age is greater, age is greater, no, it's just less than, let's say 20, less or equal to 20, then what we print is we print teenager. Let's just test that first. Teenager. There. Let's just test that. Okay. 16. Teenager. There we go. And now if we do like this, and we do 4 years old child. There we go. It's pretty simple, guys. You can use this, and let me just show you the rest until it's grandpa. So here, and then we do is less or equal to how much? 50. And then we're going to say that this is prime years, right? Prime years. Prime of life, yeah. Prime of life. There you go. Which means that they're in like their top, like they can achieve a lot in this time. Okay, and this last one is just going to be else, because for the last one, just do else like this. Else age is this, then do 90, then retired. There we go. So now if you want to just go to ask your what else age, enter your age. What's wrong? Or we could just do a lift It doesn't really matter, guys. So just do a lift if you want. Yeah, let's see. There we go. Enter your age. So let's try all of them. 6, child. Play again. 11. Is less than 10. What? Enter your age here. Value input 10, 11. See, okay, let's just try again then. So, how about if we try 10? Child. But 11. So let's just set this to 11. Let's do 21. Oh, no wonder it does that for every single one. Okay, there we go. Here we are, and enter your age here. Let's try 11 again. Child, good. Now, let's try 18. Oh, sorry. We have to click play again. So let's try 18. Boom, teenager, nice. How about 45? I keep on printing over there. 45. 45 is prime of life. And how about 67? Retired. So there we go, guys. It's a pretty simple program that you can use for ranking. And for me, I use this for like a bunch of different things. Like I have ideas. Like pretend, as we said in the last video, like the Dominus. Okay, it ranks like how much money if you can like buy or not. So now we're gonna check if your skill. Okay, pretend there's 100 to 100 skill. We're going to enter. So pretend you made a game, right? And enter your skill points here. There, and then after this, we can say like, if age, which actually I should change this. If skill, and then just change all this. Skill. And then so on, like this. Okay, once it's like that, then you can like change it to like noob, intermediate, and then advanced, and pro. There we go, like this. So you can use it for your age, for all other sorts of things. So like if we pretend 9, noob, here, so 21, let's try 18, intermediate, 43, advanced, and lately 88. Pro, there we go. So that's an easy way to use if, else, and elif. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found something useful. See you next episode. See ya, bye.